Hello there, today in this video we will see how you can integrate ChatGPT into your ELEX WSDesk plugin and generate replies for your tickets. So without further delay, let's go to our test site and check the process in a step-by-step manner. As you can see, we have already installed ELEX WSDesk plugin. Also, you will need the API key for ChatGPT. Let's quickly see the steps to get the API key for ChatGPT from OpenAI. First, click on the Settings tab of ELEX WSDesk plugin. Once you are on the Settings page, then click on Integration. Then click on the OpenAI ChatGPT option. In this page, enable the OpenAI option. Let's understand the different settings. The OpenAI API is a platform which allows developers to interact with OpenAI's language models programmatically. Now under Custom Configuration Values, you can see the main parameter used to control the length and randomness of the response, max tokens. It allows you to set an arbitrary limit on the number of tokens, words, punctuation, etc. Temperature, this value determines the uniqueness and variation in the content generated by the GPT algorithm. Now let's quickly see how you can generate your own OpenAI API key for ChatGPT. First, go to the OpenAI platform link, displayed on your screen. Also, the link has been provided in the description. You can find the link to the detailed documentation from ELEXtensions in the description. The link will direct you to the sign up page of OpenAI platform. Use your details to sign up. As we have already signed up, we will use our account to log into the OpenAI platform. Once you are on your landing page, go to the extreme left column and click on API Key section. Now click on Create Secret Key to get your API key. Once you have your API key, copy the API key and go to the ELEX WSDesk settings page. After pasting the API key, don't forget to save the changes. Now go to your tickets and open any ticket. Then click on the OpenAI icon. You can see 3 options. 1. Spell check, it will help you check the grammatical error in your response. 2. Business tone, it will help you change the tone to a business format. 3. Generate reply, this option will help you generate a reply based on the query from your customer. Now click on the Generate Reply and copy the query to paste it on the ChatGPT text section. You can also modify the prompt as per your requirements as shown on the screen. Finally, click on the Generate Reply. As you can see, the reply has been successfully generated. We hope you have understand the process of generating the replies from ChatGPT using ELEX WSDesk plugin. If you have any further queries, then contact our support team by following the link provided in the description. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.